In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter inbox iCloud mail. By the end, you'll know the fastest ways to tidy up a crowded inbox and zero in on the messages that matter most, using the built-in filter emails feature and powerful search right from the Mail app or iCloud.com. Let's start with quick filtering on your phone. Open iCloud Mail and head to your inbox. Just beneath the message list, tap the Filter Emails icon. It looks like a small funnel. This instantly narrows your view without moving or deleting anything. You can choose unread to see only messages you haven't opened yet, which is perfect for catching up. Pick flagged to bring all your marked items into one place when you're tracking tasks. Select to me to show emails addressed directly to you, cutting out broad distribution lists. Has attachments helps you find messages with files you might need to download or review. And VIP highlights mail from people you've previously marked as important, so their messages never get buried. You can turn filters on and off at any time and combine options to refine your view even more. For example, Unread Plus has attachments. When you're done, clear the filter to return to your full inbox. The same filter emails icon appears in Mail on iCloud.com, so if you prefer using a browser, you'll find a familiar experience there as well. Now, let's use search to pinpoint specific emails. In the search bar, you can type a sender, a subject, or keywords that appear in the message. iCloud Mail also supports smart time and status searches. Try unread to focus on new messages, last week to limit results to recent days, a sender's email address to gather everything from one contact or subject keywords to bring up the exact thread you're after. Start broad with a single term, then add more detail to narrow the results. If you don't see what you need right away, adjust the keyword or try a different angle, like switching from a subject word to the sender's name. When you're finished, clear the search to return to your inbox. To recap, use the Filter Emails button for quick at-a-glance views like unread, flagged, to me, has attachments, and VIP. Then lean on the search bar for precise targeting with sender, subject, keywords, dates like last week, and unread status. Whether you're in the app or on iCloud.com, these tools work together to keep your inbox clean, focused, and fast to navigate.